Welcome to Portable Modular Railroads. In the previous video, I showed you how I made my wood baseboard modules. I use 8 50 by 50 centimeter modules. I lay out and fit them together on a 4 by 8 piece of plywood resting on a plastic table. And then I'll turn them around until they all fit together well. I then turn them upside down and number them so that I can put them together precisely later. I then drill 1/4 inch holes 11 centimeters from each inside edge to bolt the modules together. Then I drill a hole in the center of those two holes for wiring. I bolt them together with 1/4 inch by 2 3/4 inch bolts that have a shaft before the threading. I use a washer on both ends and tighten them up. I don't glue my pink foam board to the tops of these wooden modules. I will be bolting all of my pieces together later on. If you plan to work on these modules separately, you don't have to bolt them together. In the next video, I'll show you how I put down the pink foam board layers and start to build out my sub-road bed. Thanks for watching Portable Module Railroads. Hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next time.